Hello everyone, this video is so that we can do our E minor scale badge together. So you're going to need your E minor scale badge, you're also going to need your key signature chart as well. Okay, so first thing we're going to aim for is write the key signature. So let's go back to our key signature chart and look for E minor. So remember, for E minor, we're looking for the lowercase e. So it is this one here. So E minor has got one sharp. Can you remember what the first sharp always is? We need to do the father Charles goes down, that sentence, so father, F. When we're spelling a sharp key signature, we use this F on the top line of the treble clef. Okay, there are other Fs available, but that's the one we always use. It's just a wee convention. And then for bass clef, we're looking for an F sharp, and it's where those two dots are on bass clef. Okay, so that's our key signature. I would suggest that next you do your natural minor scale. I think that's probably the easiest one to do next. So we need to start with the tonic. Now remember, there's no tricks here. The tonic, the first note of E minor is just E, okay? Nothing crazy there. Okay, the next note, we know it's going to be some type of F because we're going in the alphabet. But we've just written out that we need an F sharp, don't we, in this scale. So E, F sharp, it's not very neat, but you sure yours will be neater. G, A, B, C, D, E. No other sharps or flats because there was nothing else on the key signature. Okay, let's go to our tonic triad next. We're using the same notes we just wrote, but we only are interested in 3 of them for the tonic triad. We need note 1, which was E. Note 3, which was G. And finally, note 5, which was B. If you're only aiming for a foundation level, then you are done. If you're coming with me to pass level, let's go down here. To the harmonic minor scale, we only need to do it ascending, going up the way. So we start by putting the key signature in. So our key signature, we did it already. Doing the same thing again. Plenty of practice. I'm actually going to change that sharp to look a bit better. I want the window of the sharp to show the F line. Okay. Then next we're going to take these letter names that we wrote out for our natural minor scale. We're going to add them to the stave. So we need E here. Then next we need an F sharp. And we don't need to add the sharp sign because the key signature tells us that. Then we need G, A, B, C, D, E. And we don't need to come down, we only need to go ascending. Now for harmonic minor scale, we need to do an extra step, don't we? We need to find the 7th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we need to raise it. At the moment it's a normal D, so let's change it to D sharp. Okay, easy peasy. Now let's try the bass clef. Okay, bass clef, we need to find an E. Now we've got a couple of options. There is an E that lives here. I'm going to suggest we do the lower E, which is actually down on one ledger line here. Okay, E, F sharp, we don't need the sharp, sharp's already in the key signature. G, A, B, C, D sharp, and E. Okay, then for our arpeggio, we need to borrow the same notes that we had for the tonic triad. So we've got E, G, and B. Okay, so we need first an E, then a G, then a B, and we add one more note, we add the high tonic as well, so we go to E. And then we reverse back down, B, G, E. Nothing weird, nothing extra needs done, that's it. And then same for the bass clef, let's do E, G, B, E, B, G, E. And if you're just doing pass level, then you're done. If you're coming with me for melodic minor scale fun for your shiny gold merit sticker, here we go. Right. So, key signature at the beginning. We're going to go ascending and descending. So we're going to start with an E, F sharp, Okay, now we need to find the 6th note and the 7th note. So 6th note is the C, 7th note is a D. So the C just needs to become C sharp to raise it by a semitone. The D needs to become D sharp to raise it by a semitone. Then remember, this sharp is still going to affect this note, and this sharp is still going to affect this note, unless we cancel them out. Okay, to cancel them out, we need a natural sign. So we need one natural sign here for the D. Make sure the window shows the line for the D. We want the window to show the space for the C natural. Okay, and then exactly the same thing in bass clef. Let's start with that low E. E is a bit of an awkward note in bass clef. You kind of have to use a ledger line one way or the other. C sharp, D sharp, E. D natural. I'm trying my best to line these up with the ones above if I can. Okay, it's not going to be perfect, but there we go. That is our melodic minor scale and your shiny gold sticker achieved.